This video is a quick and easy pillow DIY for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoy. If you are a subscriber, you know that I have a silhouette machine, a Cameo 4, and they send out free downloads every month, and this was this month's download. It's so cute. So I went and put it in my machine and made sure that it was lined up correctly and the right setting for my blade, and cut it out. You can also make one on Canva similar to this, canva.com. So now I'm just taking and putting it on that same fabric that I have from Harbor Freight, the drop cloth, and just rolling it with the brayer to make sure that it sticks really good to the fabric so it doesn't bleed through. And the brayer is from Plaid Products. And for this one I'm using the Chalk Couture paste, but Plaid also sells similar items, so if you can find them at Michael's, they're really close in product. And that's what my channel is about, is, you know, decorating on a budget. So the cheaper the better, right? So I'm just getting this gold, well, it's actually like more of a copper bronzy shimmery color. It's really pretty, and just putting it on the four-leaf clovers, but they're not four leaves. All the clovers, getting all the clovers. So now I'm using this pretty green that I used on my bloom pillow, and if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it above, and just getting all of the wording in that same green color. So now this is a lighter green. You can't really tell from the video, but it turns out really pretty. It's a lighter green in the middle of the one four-leaf clover, and then that line and all the little swirly lines. It makes it kind of pop out. It's really pretty. So now the fun part, we get to take off the stencil, the vinyl, and reveal what we did. And I should have took my gloves off because it kept sticking. But look how pretty, it looks so cute. I really love this one. And I'm not big on St. Patrick's Day, but I really love this one. And I ended up giving it to my daughter for her front porch. And she loves it. Just picking off all the little vinyl in the letters. But I just love this. So now I cut two pieces that are going to overlap for the back to make it like an envelope kind of tucked in, and I'm just gluing it to the front that I just painted. So I'm just gluing one of them down first, and I'm just using regular hot glue, and I'm figuring that you could probably wash this, but make sure to wash it in cold if you use the hot glue. And I did end up buying me some Sure Bonder that is for fabric, so I won't have to worry about this in the future. So I'm just gluing that down, and here I am gluing the other side. And I realized I was a little off square there, so I'm just trimming it down. And gluing the rest of the way. So I have a pillow form that I had bought on Amazon. I got 4 of them for a really good price. I can't remember the price, I think it was like 20 bucks. And just making sure it fills in all of the empty spaces there, just kind of evening it all out. And see how it tucks like that with the fabric. And the glue didn't stick there, so I'm just redoing that and fixing it. And we're done. I love it. It turned out so cute. Thank you so much for joining me for my quick and easy St. Patrick's Day pillow DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will try it yourself. It turned out so pretty. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will consider and like my video, because that helps my channel out a lot. You all are so wonderful. Thank you so much, and have a great day.